So I got a new arcade stick made by a Chinese brand DOIO. There are a few other extras in the box like 2 ball caps, charging cable, a Allen wrench, a screwdriver, and a little pry tool. What's unique about this stick is that it's routed from a solid piece of aluminum, which makes this case just 1 inch thick. Before I test it out, I gotta put on my premium dust washer. Prototype 2.0 coming soon. Okay, yep, there you go. Now let me swap out my Quamba out and get this all wired up. So not only is this the thinnest profile case out there, it has the thinnest lever and mount. It also uses thin high-end switched and caps like the ones on premium keyboards rather than the standard buttons on all other fight sticks. It has this mini display that shows your button inputs, and oh yeah, there's a ton of LEDs in here. There is a little scroll wheel button on the rear frame that lets you control the mode. Got questions? Post them in the comments and I'll try to answer them.